He was a dangerous gangster. People were afraid to even look at him. She was a beautiful, innocent girl who believed in kindness and love. Two completely different worlds, but one unexpected connection changed everything. When she discovers his dark secret, her whole life turns upside down. Will love save him or destroy them both? Watch till the end, because this story will surprise you. Hello, friends. Welcome back to another slow and simple English story for English learners. Today's story is romantic, emotional, and full of surprises. It is about a dangerous gangster and a beautiful, innocent girl. Can love change a bad man into a good person? Let's find out together. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story with subtitles. Ryan was a famous gangster in the city. He was tall, handsome, and dangerous. People were afraid of him. When Ryan walked on the street, everybody became silent. He wore black clothes. He drove expensive cars. And he always carried anger in his eyes. But inside his heart, Ryan felt lonely. One rainy evening, Ryan was driving his car slowly. Suddenly, he saw a young girl standing near a small flower shop. She was wearing a simple white dress. Her long hair moved in the wind. The girl smiled softly while helping an old woman. Ryan looked at her carefully. For the first time in his life, his heart beat fast. "Who is she?" Ryan whispered. The girl was Emma. Emma was kind, innocent, and simple. She lived with her mother in a small house. Ryan could not stop thinking about her. The next day, Ryan went back to the flower shop. Emma smiled politely. "Hello, sir. Do you want flowers?" she asked softly. Ryan became nervous. No girl had ever made him nervous before. "Yes," Ryan said slowly. "Red roses." Emma gave him the flowers and smiled again. That smile touched Ryan's heart deeply. After that day, Ryan started visiting the shop every day. Sometimes he bought flowers, sometimes chocolates. Sometimes he just stood there and looked at Emma quietly. Emma noticed something strange. This dangerous-looking man was always kind to her. One day Emma asked, "Why do you come here every day?" Ryan looked into her eyes. "Because I like seeing you smile." Emma blushed a little, but she still did not know Ryan was a gangster. A dark truth. One night, Ryan was with his gangster friend Mike. Mike laughed loudly. "Ryan, you are changing because of a girl." Ryan became serious. "Emma is different," he said quietly. Mike smiled. "But if she learns the truth about you, she will leave." Ryan became silent. Deep inside, he knew Mike was right. A few days later, Emma finally discovered the truth. She saw Ryan fighting with dangerous men near a nightclub. Emma's eyes filled with fear. "You are a gangster?" she asked with tears. Ryan looked ashamed. "Yes, but I never wanted to hurt you." Emma stepped back slowly. "My father died because of gang violence," she cried. "I hate this world." Ryan felt broken inside. Emma ran away crying. That night Ryan could not sleep. For the first time, he hated his own life. He looked at himself in the mirror. "What have I become?" he whispered. "The big decision." The next morning, Ryan made a decision. He wanted to change. Not because of fear, not because of money, but because of love. Ryan left his gangster group. His old enemies became angry. Mike warned him, "They will never let you leave alive." But Ryan did not care anymore. He started working in a small garage. His expensive clothes disappeared. His dangerous lifestyle disappeared too. Life became difficult. But Ryan felt peaceful for the first time. Weeks later, Emma saw Ryan helping an old man fix a car. He looked simple, calm, and honest. Emma could not believe her eyes. Ryan walked toward her slowly. "I changed," he said softly. "I want a clean life now." Emma looked at him quietly. "Why?" she asked. Ryan smiled sadly. "Because your love showed me I can become a better man." Emma's eyes filled with tears. For many seconds, nobody spoke. Then Emma smiled softly. A real smile. And Ryan felt warmth in his heart again. The emotional ending. Months later, Ryan opened a small car repair shop. People respected him now. No more violence. No more fear. One evening, Ryan took Emma to the same flower shop where they first met. The weather was beautiful. Ryan held Emma's hand gently. "Emma," he said nervously, "will you marry me?" Emma became emotional. Tears rolled down her cheeks. "Yes," she whispered. Ryan smiled happily. At that moment, he understood something important. Sometimes, love can save a person. And sometimes, one good person can change an entire life. Did you enjoy this emotional love story? Tell us in the comments. Can true love really change a bad person into a good person? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more slow and simple English stories with subtitles for beginners. See you in the next story.